We are getting ready to have a storm, and these clouds are moving in. And there was this shiny silver thing just kind of floating, hanging, and gliding across the sky, and it didn't look like anything I'd ever seen before. It was just kind of gleaming in the sunlight, and it dipped behind a dark cloud, and I don't know where it went, but I sure would love to see it again. Sure would love to ask you what you think. Of course, I had just missed it, and I was reaching for my phone when it went behind the cloud. It was silver, and it was shining. It didn't look like a plane. It looked like it was like hovering. But yeah, we're getting ready to get a storm, as you can see. It's coming from the west. This is west. It's coming from Kalamazoo. And it looks like it's going to be a doozy. It doesn't look like it's going to last very long. The radar don't look too bad, but these clouds aren't moving very fast. And of course, I didn't mow the lawn. I don't know. I'm so tired. That looks like a bird right there. Or no, it don't. That looks weird. Uh-huh. See it? Right there. What is that? That looks like a freaking animal. Look at it. It's even got white around its eye. It's got a nose. It's got ears. It's got a tail. I know you can see that. I wish I could find that thing that was flying. That was really creepy. That's the roof. I'm on the second story balcony. Wish I could see it again. That looks like Godzilla right there. It looks like a cat falling with his paws out. It looks like he's meowing with his ears. His little ears. Yeah. So this should be interesting. I hope everybody's having a good day. It does, don't it? Paw, 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 mouth, ears going up. Looks like a cat jumping off the bed. Oh, there's a plane. See it? Sorry, I can't keep up. I am dizzy. I already can't see it anymore. Which is weird because I can't see it anymore. Oh, there it goes. I see it. Okay. Yeah. There's a storm a-coming. Godzilla? Godzilla. You know me, I could sit out here and film this all night, but I gotta help get my grandkid in bed, and oh, I'm tired. The 3-year-old's already in bed. That's east. Straight up, and that's west. This is north. Yeah, we're gonna get a storm. Oh, and I never put anything in the house, and I have cardboard out on the back deck, and I don't even care. Okay, I gotta stop. Okay, in a minute.